Hey guys, let's just unbox this Wyze Cam OG that I got from Amazon. So it's a color night vision indoor and outdoor wired camera, right? So it works with Alexa and also Google. Let me just remove the seal here so I can open it up. There we go. Let's just see what's inside the box. So it starts with a quick start guide. And here some packaging. Here, a power brick, so you don't need to use yours from your cell phone, for example. You can just use the one that comes with the camera. Of course, gonna bring the cable. So it's a micro USB to USB. And here is the camera itself, right? So let me just move this box aside, and here's the camera. Let me just remove from this plastic. Where can I open it? There we go. I can just do this and I can see my camera. All right, there we go. So here's the camera. It comes with a protective film here, so you see the lens and also a light, so you can turn on the light when you're using the camera. Let me just remove this film. There we go, so you see better. It's a pretty nice camera. Okay, and you can move the way, for example, or adjust. I think I need to do this, then I can adjust. And there's also this base, so you can use for installation. Okay, there we go. Some rubber feet here, and also this one, so you can install onto a wall or something. And there's a button here, so you can press to set it up, and also reset the camera, and a slot for micro SD card, right? Basically, that's the Wyze camera. Comes here with the cable, so you can use this one to connect to power, and also the power brick. So there we go. You can just use the base to install your camera like this, and then adjust here, of course, so the camera stays into place. There we go. Pretty small. Okay, there's a speaker here in the back, and it's a good camera because Wyze usually makes good cameras, right? So there you have it. That's the Wyze Cam OG. You can get yours on Amazon.